No, that might be personality. Good morning. I'm excited to present you with all of the things that have been given to me by great friends. So I just really, I'm grateful to do this video, and I praise Jesus. Isn't that cool? My husband did these rocks. So these little flowers I just put in here for looks. These are from my girlfriend, LaShonda, and I'll be showing you her stuff next. So I'll put the flowers in her stuff. Now, what's interesting is that the first series that I built is actually this calendar, and this stuff is from my good friend, Miss Bernie, which you guys know, Bernie. So the inside of the calendar actually looks like these pages, and then I antique them, so you'll see some of that. So she gave me a calendar. You get to see this turn into junk journal. Then we got some, she has different books, cards that I can now, look at that, isn't that cool? So I'll just transform all of these amazing things. I have to look through all of them to make sure I can use them, but oh, that's cool. Some stickers. Bernie loves butterflies. There is glory in your story. Cool. See? Oh, heart gifts. Very nice. Let's see. Kindness changes everything. Happy birthday. How I can pray when I am angry. Very nice. It's a little, remember those back in the day? Those are cool. Back in the day. Sorry, Bernie. Daily strength. Look at this. Isn't that nice? And it doesn't matter that it has the date. Love is the reason behind everything God does. He made you so you could share in his creation, could love and laugh and know him. Ted Green. I'll have to look up some of these people. I like the ones with the scriptures. With the names, I have to look up these people because you just don't know. You just don't know. My God is changeless in his love for me. Full. So, cool. Cool calendar book. And it has a stand thing in it. It's really cool. That's fun. Treasure each moment. Really cool. That's great. Some cards. Some cards. Oh, this was a series we did. It's really cool. Breathing room. Let's see. Oh, these are cool. And then they can just go to that. Oh, these are cool. I'm actually going to make these. Oh, Jesus, you're so good. I'm going to make these, but different. Okay. Very cool. Bernie, you're awesome. Love my Bernie. She's my Bernie. You know how little kids are like, she's mine. That's how I feel. course Bernie has prayer cards. Nice. Look at the colors. That's so awesome. Today's prayer. How cute. Thanks, Bernie. Wow. Okay, so yeah, Crown Jewels Company. Some of these companies I'm going to get a hold of, see what they're up to. Oh, wow. Again, another prayer card. Wow. They would be all. Bernie loves color. Those are cool. Okay, and then we have Be Happy. Cute little book. Be open to new ideas. Buy yourself flowers. Okay, so this morning I picked flowers. I did a little tiny vase so you guys could have some joy in the video. Finish what you started. Bam! So cool. And then I can make this a mini journal. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so I don't know if I can use this, but maybe not, because all those winter always turns to spring. We need to remember that. Winter always turns to spring. I'll leave that out. It's a nice one. And some more. Those are pretty. Never know what you can transform. And then look at these little cool cards. So I wanted to come on here and film this stuff because I need to use it. I have to intake all the stuff, so I needed to video it. So Bernie, I love you. You know how much I love you. You are most definitely better than bacon. Yay, this is a blessing. Blessing. Thank you, Bernie. Thank you. This fits in here so good. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, yay. So there is that. So let's do LaShonda. My girlfriend LaShonda, she dropped off, and this is only a little bit that I can show you, okay? Because it's just so much. But she dropped off all this fabric, and it is amazing. It's all kinds of different swatches from all different kinds of vendors around. So as I make journals, then we'll get the names and all that good stuff. And then here's a giant one. Oh, it's so heavy, but I wanted to at least get a peek on there. Oh, can you see them? There's so many. Oh, this is all from my friend LaShonda, which is going, she is Lonnie. It's going to be Lonnie Planter. So she makes all of the plant holders. Okay. So she makes all the plant holders. She also gave me this and this. And she also gave me all of these. All of this, like these belts, these pom-poms, these colored pom-poms, the iron, you know how I use that. I do. I use that for shirts because sometimes they're cut a little too low for me. And then I have, she gave me all of this yummy stuff. Look how yummy these are. Bun, bun, bun. It's like it looks like a cow print, but it's not, or a Dalmatian print. I can't tell. But anyways, and I went ahead and just cleaned everything up because I got to get it on the shelf. So that's from Lonnie Macrame. It's going to be macrame. And there might be some more stuff that pops up that she gave me. Okay, so another girlfriend, two girlfriends actually, a mom and a daughter. But they got together and they colored some paper. So my girlfriend, and she actually has the most decadent desserts, and she it's called Layers of Lemon. And look at this paper. It reminds me of her because it's so lemony. It looks so yummy. Like all of her stuff. She makes like hot cocoa bombs and bonbons and I mean just amazing cookies. I got some cupcakes for my birthday. Look at this paper. Isn't this cool? It kind of has, it's kind of dusty. But, isn't that fun? Now I can't remember. I think they did some turmeric. They did this like crinkling kind of thing, which is super cool. Isn't that cool? Isn't that a blessing that they just did that just to get together as mom and daughter and have some fun and bless us, and they're just up to what I'm doing, and I just love what Zoe's doing with Layers of Lemon, and so it's fun. Fun, okay? So I wanted to share with you that. And she did these. Oh, these are divine. I haven't used any of it because I wanted to film it, but look at, so that's the women. Isn't that fun? And then we have, they did all this tea. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, God is so good. Okay, so that was Layers of Lemon. Beautiful. Okay, and then also my girlfriend, Susie, she's working hard. I love her. And she helps me on my adventures here with all the folding, and she's so particular. So anyway, she gave me a book that I'm gonna, you know what, turn them into journals. So some really cool, look at that one, it's a cool book, huh? So I know, sorry people that own this book, but now they're becoming something beautiful. Not that they weren't beautiful, I'm just saying, okay. So, what else did I get? I also got a ton of stuff from my girlfriend Kelly. She dropped off like a ton of stuff from a friend, so she was doing a cleanup and she dropped that off, so I need to get that on this video too. And I think it's on a separate video. So yay, we're gonna do this for the first video, 14 minutes, and I'm gonna go into shopping next, part 2.